Children, it is a continuation of the chapter quadratic equations. Now let us start the exercise 4. The first question. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, find them. There are three quadratic equations. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals 0. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals 0. To find the nature of the roots of the equation, we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. If they are greater than 0 or equals 0, the real root exists, then we can find them. If the b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, real root does not exist. Now let us take the first quadratic equation, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals 0. So you write the values of a, b and c. A equals 2, B equals minus 3, C equals 5. Then you write the B square minus 4AC and find its value. B square minus 4AC, B is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into A is 2, C is 5. Then minus 3 whole square is 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So you got that b square minus 4ac equals 9 minus 40 is, that is negative 31, which is lesser than 0. Here you got, that is b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. If b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, you know that no real root exists. Therefore, here you write no real roots exist. No real roots exist as b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. Now the second quadratic equation, that is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals 0. Write the values of a, b and c. Here a equals 3, that is the coefficient of x square, a equals 3, b coefficient of x, that is minus 4 root 3, and c the constant 4. Now you write b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac, find its value. B is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3, c is 4. Then minus 4 root 3 whole square is, minus 4 square is 16 into 3 minus, it is 16 into 3 48. So you got b square minus 4ac equals 16 3s are 48 minus 48, that equals 0. As b square minus 4ac equals 0, here you can say that roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. So what are the roots? If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, the roots are minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a. Roots are minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a, because b square minus 4ac is 0. So write roots are minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. Here b is minus 4 root 3. So you take minus b by 2a equals minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2a. A is 3. A is 3. Then it is 4 root 3 by 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are, and you got 2 root 3 by 3, that equals 2 root 3 by 3 means root 3 into root 3. So root 3 cancels, you will get 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Therefore roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Roots are equal. So they are 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, the roots are equal and the roots are equals to minus b by 2a. So you can get the root easily without writing the quadratic formula. Now the third quadratic equation, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals 0. Write the values of a, b and c. Here a equals 2, b equals minus 6, c equals 3. Then you write b square minus 4ac and find its value. B square minus 4ac. B is minus 6 whole square. B is minus 6. B square is minus 6 whole square. Minus 4 into a, that is 2, into c. C is 3. So you write minus 6 whole square is 36. Minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So you got b square minus 4ac equals 36 minus 24 is 12 you will get. That is 12 and it is greater than 0. Greater than 0 as b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Real root exists. Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Roots are real and distinct. Then here b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If they are 0 means no necessity of writing the formula. You can get the roots by taking minus b by 2a. But here we have to write the quadratic formula to find the roots as they are distinct roots. Write the given quadratic equation once again here. That is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals 0 and a equals 2, b equals minus 6, c equals 3. Then write the quadratic formula to find the roots. That is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Then x equals minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 into 3. That divided by 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Then x equals minus of minus 6 is 6 plus or minus 6 whole square is 36 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 by 4. Then x equals 6 plus or minus square root of 12 by 4. 36 minus 24 is 12. Then x equals 6 plus or minus, you can write it as 12 can be expressed as a product of square number into some other number. So you write 4 into 3 by 4. Then x equals 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, 2 root 3 by 4. Then x equals, you can remove 2 as a common in the bracket, 2 3s are plus or minus root 3 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then you will get x equals 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So the roots are x equals 3 plus root 3 by 2 and x equals 3 minus root 3 by 2. These are the two real roots which are unequal. As you got b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Next, the second question. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Here both the roots are equal. Two quadratic equations are given. First one is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals 0. Second one is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals 0. Now you take the first one, that is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals 0. Now as usual write the values of a, b and c. Here a equals 2, b equals k and c equals 3. Now also it is given that both the roots are equal. Roots are equal. Therefore, as roots are equal, b square minus 4ac must be equals to 0. As roots are equals, b square minus 4ac equals 0. So you substitute the values of a, b and c in b square minus 4ac. b is 4, b is k, not 4, b is k. You write k square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3 equals 0. Then you write k square, then 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Then it is k square minus 24 equals 0. Then you write k square equals, transfer that 24 to RHS, 0 plus 24 you will get, that is 24. Then k equals square root of 24. K equals square root of 24. That equals, k equals, if it is possible, try to factorize, that is as a product of square number into some other number, you will get 4 into 6. Then you got k equals root 4 into 6. Then k equals root 4 is plus or minus 2, into root 6. So what is the value of k? K equals plus or minus 2 root 6. Now the second quadratic equation is kx into x minus 2 plus 6. Here again it is given that the roots are equal. Here the equation is kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equals 0, and the LHS is not in the form of quadratic polynomial. So try to bring this to the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Then you write kx into x is kx square, multiply x and minus 2 by kx. So the product of kx and x is kx square minus kx into 2. Kx into 2 is 2kx plus 6 equals 0. So you got to the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Then here what is the value of a? That is k. K is the coefficient of x square. So a equals k. Then what is the value of b? That is the coefficient of x, minus 2k. And c equals 6. C equals 6. Then it is given that roots are equal. So you write as roots are equal, b square minus 4ac equals 0. B square minus 4ac equals 0. B is minus 2k whole square minus 4. A is k. C is 6 equals 0. So you got minus 2k whole square is 4k square minus k into 4 into 6. You will get 6 4s are 24. 24k equals 0. Then you write 4k square equals, transfer that minus 24k to RHS, you will get 24k. Then 4 1s are 4 6 are, k square equals 6k. And you take k square by k equals 6. K you will get that as k into k by k, you will get 6, that k cancels. So we will get k equals 6. K equals 6. Or also you can from this step you can take that 4k square minus 24k equals 0. Then you can remove 4k common. 4k into k minus 6 equals 0. If you equate 4k equals 0 or k minus 6 equals 0, here you will get k equals 0 and k equals 6. But here if k equals 0, then you will get this whole becomes equal 0. So here k must be 6 only, that you have to consider k equals 6. So here you can use this method also, or by this method also you can get the value of k. Third question, is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 m square? If so, find its length and breadth. Here, what we have to find out? We have to find out that whether is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth. Now let us form the quadratic equation according to this situation here. It is given that length is twice its breadth. So you take let breadth equal b, then length becomes, then length equals L equals 2b, that is twice of breadth. And the area is given. You know that area equals L into b equals how much? 800 m square. Then L is taken as 2b and b is taken as b, that equals 800. Then it is 2b square equals 800. Then b square equals 800 by 2. Then b square equals 400. Then you will get the equation b square minus 400 equals 0. b square minus 400 equals 0. Then if it is a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus 0, that is b square plus 0b minus 400 equals 0. Here you find the b square minus 4ac, that is here you write a equals b equals c. A equals coefficient of the b square and b equals 0 and c equals minus 400. Then b square minus 4ac. So 0 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 400. Then it is 1600 you will get. B square minus 4ac is equals to 1600, which is greater than 0. So as b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, you can say that the length and breadth exist, real root exist, as b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, real roots exists. Therefore it is possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth. And here as roots are real and b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and you write the quadratic equation and find the roots, they becomes the length and breadth of the quadratic equation. To get the breadth of the rectangular groove, solve this quadratic equation. B square plus 0b minus 400 equals 0. After getting the breadth, then you will get the length of the rectangular groove. So here you take, here in the place of x, b is there. So you write b and b is 0. That is the coefficient of the first degree variable, 0, and plus or minus 0 square minus 4 into 1 into a is 1, c is minus 400, that divided by 2 into 1, a is 1. Then you write b, where is it is the breadth, 0 you can leave here, plus or minus square root of 0 minus 4 into 1 into minus 400 is plus 1600 by 2. Then b equals, that is plus or minus square root of 1600 by 2. So you will get b equals plus or minus square root of 1600 is 40, because square root of 16 is 4, 2 zeros are there, so it is 40 by 2. So you can divide 2 ones are 2 20s are. You got b equals plus or minus 20. It means b equals plus 20. b equals plus 20. You can write it 20 only. Or b equals, you take minus 20. b equals minus 20. So here, as b is the length, it is a length of the breadth, that is measurement of the breadth. So here we have to take it as positive. Therefore you take b equals 20. Therefore you write b equals 20, that is the breadth. Then L equals, you know that, twice of breadth. L is the twice of breadth, that is 2b. So 2 into 20 equals 40. Then length and breadth are 40 and 20 meters. So you take b is 20 meter, L is 20 meter. Therefore you take length and breadth of rectangular mango groove is how much? 40 meter and 20 meter respectively. 40 meter and. Now the fourth question, is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Now let us form the equation here. Sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years, means here age of one person is x, then the age of other person becomes 20 minus x. So let us take here, let x and 20 minus x years are the ages of two friends. As the sum of their age is 20, now let us take x and 20 minus x are the ages. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. 4 years ago, their ages were x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4. 20 minus x minus 4, that is 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x. So 4 years ago their ages were x minus 4 and 16 minus x. 16 minus x, and the product of their ages 4 years ago. Product of their ages 4 years ago. 4 years ago equals how much? 40. Product of the ages 4 years ago equals 48. It means x minus 4 into 60 minus x equals 48. 4 years ago their ages were x minus 4 and 16 minus x, and product is 48. So you have to take x minus 4 into 16 minus x equals 48. Now you multiply x minus 16, 16x, x minus x minus x square, and minus 4 into 16 minus 64, and minus 4 into minus x plus 4x equals 48. Then you transfer 48 to the LHS. Before that you write minus x square, and sum of these two is 16 plus 4, you will get 20x minus 64 plus 48. Transfer that 48 to the LHS. So you will get minus 64 minus 48 equals 0. Then it is minus x square plus 20x. Sum of minus 64 and minus 48. 8 plus 4 is 12. Here we have to add as they are having same sign. And 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So you will get minus 112 equals 0. Now to remove the negative sign of the x square, you do minus of x square, change the sign, minus 20x plus 112 equals 0. 112 equals 0. Now you take the quadratic equation, x square minus 20x plus 112 equals 0. Now you find the value of a, b and c. A equals 1, b equals minus 20, and c equals 112. Find the discriminant part to find whether the root exists or not. If the root exists, then the situation is possible. So you take b square minus 4ac. b is minus 20 whole square, minus 4 into a is 1, c is 112. Minus 20 whole square is 400 minus, and it is 444. 4 into 1 into 112 is 444. Then you will get b square minus 4ac equals 400 minus 448 is minus 48. Minus 48, which is lesser than 0. As you got b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. As b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, you can say that root do not exist. Root does not exist. Real roots do not exist. Do not exist. Therefore, the given situation is not possible. Therefore, given situation is not possible, as the real root do not exist and you can't get that relation. Therefore, the given situation is not possible here. Now the fifth question. Is it possible to design rectangular park of perimeter 80 m and area 400 m square? If so, find its length and breadth. Here the perimeter of the rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus V. So if L and B are the length and breadth, so let us consider here. Let L and B are the length and breadth of rectangular park. Rectangular park. So you write here, that is a solution here. Now it is given that the perimeter of the rectangular park is 80 meter. So you know the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. That equals what? 80. Perimeter equals 2 into L plus B equals 80. Then here 2 ones are 2 40s are, you will get L plus B is equals L plus B equals 40. Then you convert it into L equals or B equals. So you will get B equals 40 minus L or L equals 40 minus B. Now you consider this is first. Next, what is given here? Area is given. What is the area? 400 m square. So you take area equals L into B equals, that is 400 m square. You take 400 only. L is here. L only. You write. B means that is 40 minus L equals 400. 40 minus L equals 400. L into 40 is 40L minus L into L is L square. That is minus L square equals 400. 40L minus L square equals 400. Now you transfer that for 400 to LHS. You write this LHS as minus L square plus 40L minus 400 equals 0. So it is better to remove the negative sign for L square. Then you write minus of L square minus 40L plus 400 equals 0. Then you take the equation L square minus 40L plus 400 equals 0. Then verify whether the real root exists or not. If the real root exists, then you can conclude that the rectangular park of perimeter 80 m and area 400 m square can be designed. Now here you take A equals 1, the coefficient of L square, B equals minus 40 and C equals 400. Then it is B square minus 4AC. You consider and find its value. B square minus 4AC. B is minus 40 whole square. Minus 4 into A is 1. C is 400. Then minus 40 whole square is 4 square is 16. That is 1600. Minus 4 into 1 is 4 is 1000. That is 4 4s are 16. 1600. Then you will get B square minus 4AC equals 0 you got. As B square minus 4AC equals 0, you know that the real root exists and they are equal roots. As B square minus 4AC equals 0, roots are real and equal. Real roots exist. Roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Why they are equal? B square minus 4AC equals 0. Then roots are. If B square minus 4AC equals 0, to find the roots, it is not required to write the quadratic formula. If B square minus 4AC equals 0, then the roots are minus B by 2A, minus B by 2A. So you find the value of minus B by 2A. Minus B by 2A equals minus of B value is here. You got that is minus 40. by 2a, 2 into a value is 1. A value is 1. So you write 1 equals minus of minus plus 40 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 220 is a 20 you got. Minus b by 2a is equals to 20. Therefore roots are here 20, 20. Therefore you can say that the length and breadth are. So here L equals 20 and B also equals 20. Length and breadth are length and breadth are 20 m and 20 m. 20 m and 20 m.